In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change shape colors here in Canva. So let's go ahead and get a shape. So we're going to come over to Elements. We can type in Shapes up here in the search bar and click on this first one, or we can come down to Shapes just here. So let's go ahead and choose one of these. Let's go with this one just here. Now to change the colors, what we want to do is come up to this little color icon just here. Now if we click on here, we have lots of different options. We can choose from default colors just here. We can also choose from gradients here as well. So if we click on one of these, let's go with this one, we now have a nice gradient on our shape. In fact, let's go with the orange so we can see it better. And if we come back up to the top, we can actually click on this little color icon. We can choose different types of gradients from here. We can also choose the gradient colors as well and add a new one like so. Let's get rid of that. And we can also make the shape transparent by clicking on this no color. Now, what would be the point in doing that? Well, if we now come up to here to border style, we can actually choose to have a border on that shape. But let's go back a couple to here. Let's just choose a gradient. So that's just how easy it is to change your shape colors here in Canva. Now for more bite-sized Canva tutorials, click right here and watch this playlist.